If you want to watch three guys, one whose brain can't keep up with his mouth, one that has a weird lemon sensitivity, and what's your problem? Oh, he's creepy. Stay tuned.
You already knew that.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Dan, Ian, the man with the crushed ice, and Derek are going to make for you, really just Ian, a cocktail called the Scropion's Reef.
We're just going to drink it.
We're going to drink it. We are the professional drinkers that are going to tell you why you want to have this. You're going to put the crushed ice in now?
Yes.
Yeah, because we got to make it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't the ice going to turn to water by then?
It's crushed ice. What do you think's going to happen with crushed ice?
That's the whole point.
But before the drink's in there?
But it's going to be a lot of crushed ice.
I'm about to pour
Why
it.
don't,
Oh, that's a lot.
why don't you just continue with your rant?
Hey, how's it going, everybody? So here's the recipe breakdown of the Scropion's Reef. No jump cuts! 1 ounce of mezcal, 1 ounce. 1 ounce of mezcal, 1 ounce of Jamaican aged rum, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, a 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice and orange shot, 2 dashes of chocolate bitters, 5 to 6 dashes of Angostura bitters, which we're gonna float on the top, so we're not gonna let Ian touch those. Because sometimes he goes, oh fuck, and then we build the drink again. So we're gonna avoid that this time. So you can do that at home.
So what is this? So we're not really using mezcal.
So this drink,
what is it?
This is a Raicilla. So unlike mezcal, which is labeled as such, Raicilla is very similar to tequila in the fact that it is made from agave. It is also made in the state of Jalisco. It's kind of like one of those products that just doesn't. It didn't get out like tequila did. I don't know why. We you know what? 30 years ago, we could have been all drinking like Jose Cuervo Gold Raicilla. But no, we're drinking this now because tequila's flourished. It's got a single, I think it's a single type of agave. It's in the mezcal family. It's just labeled Raicilla because that's their domain of origin. Actually, no, there is no domain of origin for this. It can't be called mezcal because mezcal has a domain of origin which does not include Raicilla.
And this only gets one distillation.
That's yes,
and
that. But
most mezcal.
Yeah, have it double.
Double.
Yeah, and that is probably the brand which is La Venenosa. Probably chooses that because there shouldn't be any reason why. Like I don't think distillation comes into part of the domain of origin. I don't think. I think they can kind of do what they want as long as they follow the right rules. Holy crap! You're already done making this?
Hold on.
It's not rocket science,
He doesn't
buddy.
fool around.
It's because he put the crushed ice in when he was supposed to.
Oh.
If he listened to you.
I thought you had to stir it and then you had to.
You gotta put it over here though.
So you stir it right in the glass.
So let's try this.
Let's try that Raicilla.
No.
So, but the
Let's drink while he's making a drink.
part of Common Man Cocktail story time is this. Oh, that looks fucking awesome. Raicilla is a mezcal, just not by label. So you should get a lot of the same properties you'd get out of all the different variations of mezcal.
You do, but
You're not convinced.
So it's
taste that.
Maximiliana is the agave species. The state is
Just a little
Jalisco.
taste.
It's in Sierra Occidental, the village of La Vieja. It's used in an adobe oven with black oak vats. Can I try it? I don't think I've done this. And you guys are making me want some now. I think. Oh, wow.
It's,
We've done that.
It was months ago.
well, of course you've done it.
At least twice.
Oh. Did that just happen? Oh, that's
It's different. I'm
is
trying. Hold on. Let's try to describe it.
what is that flavor? Oh, I know. It's malt. It's like Genevieve or Geneva.
Yeah.
It has that Geneva like gin flavor to it.
There's a little bit of smokiness in there.
He's like,
Yeah, if you say so.
Ian's
I'm not
not a
following
fan.
Yeah,
We already know
I just don't like
that.
the smoke, that's all.
Did you get smoke in there?
No, Steven donated for crushed ice.
What? That's a thing?
He said crushed ice.
All right.
Smell it.
Look at this icy.
He did a great job. That's why we have him make
Oh my
drinks.
god, that looks awesome.
That's pretty cool, yeah.
It looks like an iceberg that a dog pooped in.
You're not
Why is
selling
that
that.
Good sell, good sell.
Yeah.
That's like terrible.
Marketing, not
Okay.
your strength.
That's not a good
Not your strength.
So
Just
it
let
looked
me know.
awesome. Period.
And I think I
Derek's
know
on
what
to a
you can do
whole
to
other
increase your
paragraph
subscriber
now.
base.
Yeah.
And then that
We'll
all came
talk.
after. It wasn't actually part of the awesome part. It was just that's what I thought of. What's going on over there?
How's the drink?
It's fucking cold is what it is. The Angostura brings aroma right into your face, and then it kind of sips right into your mouth. Like you get that the allspice, and there's a lot of flavor.
Dan doesn't like it.
There's a lot.
There's a lot of flavor in there,
There's a lot of stuff going on in there. It's not tart at all.
but it's not sweet either.
No, it's tart. It's like
Oh, you're saying that in sarcasm.
yes, that was.
Sorry, that was sarcasm.
It's not bad.
It's
I love it. Your face, and then Ian, who we're expecting to be like,
like
this is the
no-
fucking awful.
It's not like strong or anything.
And it's like,
There's
oh,
not a lot
Yeah, but
it's
Ian
just
likes
like isn't
dark.
much. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe it's that.
yeah.
No, I do. Did you try this?
Yeah. I've had Geneva before.
Right,
too.
but yeah,
It's-
but sometimes putting them aside, like you don't remember exactly what it has that malty flavor to it.
Something. I don't know. Something doesn't taste. Taste that again.
His face is like
It like hurts my face when I drink it.
I don't know what's wrong with you. You'll drink like that smoky shit, and you'll be like, "Oh, it's
The
pretty good."
pineapple, that's
And then you're like, "Oh my god, it's fucking wrong." I don't know what's wrong with you. I know there's a lot wrong with you. I just don't know what.
Put my finger on it.
I can't.
You need to go to
I've
school
known
for
you
that
for a
shit.
long time. I just can't put my finger on it.
I let you put your finger on it all the time.
we all
Is that what's wrong with you?
When
When
I don't know. It's just not.
The pineapple juice? Is it the pineapple and the bitter? Kind
The pineapple and this just don't seem to go together.
Yeah,
It's tart. I think it's, do you think it's
understand at
tart?
all. No.
He is animated.
I don't think it's that tart.
I don't get it.
Fantastic.
I don't think it's tart. It's just, it doesn't have a lot of sugar. There's no sugar in here. It says orgeat. There's a lot, you know what it is to me? There's just
Let me take a
lot,
bigger sip.
there's a lot of flavors
They're gonna help.
that are all happening, right? You get the almond. You get the, like the rummy flavor, like the molasses. You get the bitters, you get the chocolate, you get the pineapple, you get the Raicilla, which has that,
No comprendo.
whatever that Raicilla flavor is. like
No, I get that Raicilla
malt.
flavor and pineapple.
He's really
and, like,
pushing. He's really selling.
You get a little bit of bitters. I get no chocolate bitter at all.
The snowy dog poop cocktail.
No,
That's what he's
lie.
smelling. It's selling.
Do you get chocolate bitter in that?
Cocoa. It
When you-
tastes
when
like.
you-
It has all those.
I don't know. I don't get a lot. I don't know.
I know.
That's-
It's like that.
Maybe
It's
my
not
taste buds are fucked up
amazing.
tonight. I don't know.
I don't think the taste is amazing. I think it's
mean-
too much. Like the flavors are all fine. It's just there's too
It
many.
made my
of
fucking
them.
eyes water.
I don't know what the fuck's wrong with you. Like, I don't think the drink is amazing. I think it has too many. It's too many things happening at once. They don't come into their own, like, flavor. It doesn't.
Yeah.
Like, so, you know, sometimes you make cocktails with a bunch of weird flavors, and all of a sudden it makes its own like magical flavor. Like, that's really good.
Yeah,
It
that's.
tastes like rainbows and Care Bears. But this doesn't. It just has all those things kind of.
It's kind of like I wanted to have Mai Tai, but I had Mezcal, and
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw it in there.
It's not
and-
bad. I could finish it. Obviously, Ian can finish it. You're fucked.
I mean, I could finish if I
I
had
know
to.
you got you
not like
you
that.
power through. It's like a Mai Tai with lots of fucking flavors to it.
It's like a Mai Tai. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's the chocolate bitters, and I don't know. I don't know what the fuck is
I
in
like
that
the
drink.
chocolate. I like the
I
chocolate.
can't taste chocolate in it.
Really? Like just well, you're already fucked. I don't know what's wrong with you. So
It's like I don't know. Maybe I'm just sensitive to lemon or something tonight.
if you're into
a lemon
watching
sensitivity?
craziness, subscribe to the show.
Normally,
Do
It's
you,
a-
do you let people know that when you go to a restaurant, you order stuff?
It's a
You know, I have a
3
lemon sensitivity.
Yeah.
You know, no lemon juice in my
but he
food.
doesn't.
It's half a moon out right now, so I have a little lemon sensitivity.
He doesn't love his sensitivity as long as it's not salad dressing. Sour salad dressing?
He puts so much lemon in everything, and I'm always like, oh, I can't even eat it. And then
Does
and then
anyone
he's
even
like,
know
oh,
who
that's
that's
too tart.
talking over there?
He tastes it, I'm like, how is that too tart to you?
Oh my god.
It's tu esposa.
Like, I'm getting used to it now. Maybe it was just an initial.
Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. It's just you know what it is. The couple of the drinks we've had have been
It's not that great either.
so good that it's just a lot of flavor. This is Marshall Davis.
I don't know, maybe this.
Imbibe Magazine. This was submitted by John Spikes. This is a recipe done by Marshall. I don't know who Marshall Davis is, but I'm guessing he's got more pull than I do in the bartending industry.
I'm sure.
So he must know what he's doing. It's just I feel like a lot of stuff going on. That's all.
You know what it is? I think maybe a different mezcal. I don't really like the taste of this one.
It could be that. You know what? It might be just that the taste comes through. It does.
It does.
Like you get that taste. It's malty. And I agree with you. If that's what all rice, I only have one Raicilla to test. But if that's what Raicilla tastes like, to me it would fit in drinks I call for Geneva, like a Holland House, and that. Okay, that's all I got. I don't remember any other Geneva drinks. But
Yeah, maybe
I wanted to sound like I
fit in
fucking knew what I was talking about, and I know a
nowhere.
Holland House is a Geneva drink. I was trying to be like that bartender guy that like knows his shit.
Yeah.
And I needed to switch it up.
Yeah, but at least you pulled out some shit.
Whatever. That's what I do. I
you
fucking.
do
And
some
then you
props.
sold yourself out by saying that's all.
Yeah, you should have.
You just sort of
I should have went with
stopped
it.
there, yeah.
Yeah,
I should have just stopped at Holland House. Just say it's like if you put this in a Holland House, it'd be great.
exactly. See,
what I should have done.
sell that shit.
And then the people who know Geneva would have been like, "Holy shit!"
when you pick this up and you're like, oh my god, look, it's like a like a sunset. It's beautiful. Not that looks like you peed in a glass and then the dog pooped on it and it's frozen.
It was an iceberg. It was an iceberg.
Iceberg.
Fucking A. You, at least if you're gonna quote me, use the best words I used, which was iceberg. Perfect word.
Anyway.
All I
Anyway.
heard was poop.
Joseph
Derek
Clark.
knows all the best words.
Yeah. I'm gonna get in the government.
Up next.
The show's gonna be great. He's the best talker we know. He sells stuff like nobody else. He knows all the best words. Just listen to Derek.
Everybody will love it.
Thank you, Joseph Clark, for being executive
That's why I
producer.
brought Derek into the show.
You can go to patreon.com/CMC if you want to help donate and support me because you just love what we're doing. All of
Do it.
those that are watching and care to keep watching.
Then we know there's something wrong with you.
Yeah. And we all can be wrong together.
Yes.
The
We all have
Scorpion's
something
Reef.
wrong with us.
There's a coupon code. Use Mezcal. Save 18% on awesomedrinks.com. You can get bitters there. You can get orgeat and bitters. Chocolate bitters and orgeat. All available at my store, awesomedrinks.com. Go there right now.
All worth putting in a different drink.
In Angostura. That's some funny shit. Well, next we've got a drink for you. Sidebar for more Mezcal drinks. Down below, the other one, not down below, over there for tequila drinks. Down below is Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit. If you're just getting into cocktails, you want to get some Mezcal, you want to get going, that's where you go to get your kit so you can build stuff like this, even though this was a stir drink.
It's fantastic.
We're teaching you how to drink.